One of the biggest game changers in my knitting has been figuring out how to create this nice, neat braided edge on my knitting projects, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So for your first stitch, you're going to insert your needle as if you're going to purl, but then just move that loop over onto your right needle. That is a slip stitch purlwise. Now for your second stitch, move that yarn to the back because you are going to work a knit stitch. And that is all. Just make sure your first two stitches are those ones, and then from there you can do whatever you want. I am just working knits here, but you can follow any stitch pattern. Just add those two stitches to the beginning, slip stitch purlwise, and then a knit stitch, and you'll create that nice, neat braided edge. I'll show you one more time. Slip stitch purlwise, then move that yarn to the back, and work a knit stitch. Every row is going to start like that. From there, it's all up to you. Here's an example of a knit edge without this technique, and it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. But if you do like the braided effect that this technique provides, now you know that it's just super simple. Here's a blanket I'm working on with this braided edge. Just slip stitch purlwise that first stitch, and then work a knit for the next stitch. And then from there, I'm just following the rest of my pattern. And you can see how that's coming out. Looks really nice and neat. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I release more crochet and knitting content every week. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok for bite-sized crochet and knitting content, and you can find all my patterns, some of them featured here in this video, on modernmade.net and Modern Made Shop on Etsy. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.